As the years go by, many men experience natural changes in their bodies and sexual health. Masturbation, often misunderstood, can actually be a key factor in maintaining a healthier sex life and even living longer. In this video, we will explain how masturbation helps keep the penis healthy, counteracts the effects of aging, and preserves sexual function. Masturbation is not just a source of pleasure, but also an effective way to keep the body functioning, improve blood circulation, and prevent erectile problems. For many men, it becomes an important ally in maintaining an active sex life, especially for those who, for various reasons, do not have a regular partner. It's not just about momentary pleasure, but about ongoing care for the body. Regular practice benefits the cardiovascular system, helps manage stress, and improves mental well-being. Masturbation offers a simple and effective way to ensure the body continues to respond well to stimuli and maintain sexual vitality throughout life. By demystifying this practice, we will see how it can be an important solution for both physical and emotional health in older men. Before we continue, check if you're already subscribed to the channel to stay updated on new videos about health and well-being, especially for men over 50. If this content was useful to you, leave a like so more people can access it. Share your "how often is too often" thoughts in the comments. Type 1 if you like the topic, or 0 if you have suggestions for improvement. Your opinion is very important to us. Masturbation and old age can be a real ally in maintaining sexual health. It's no secret that as time passes, the body changes, and sexual health is also affected. But masturbation can help combat these effects of aging. When a man masturbates regularly, he stimulates blood circulation, which improves blood flow to the penis, helping to maintain erections. Additionally, the body releases hormones that create sensations of pleasure and well-being, which also help reduce stress levels. It's like a mini workout for the body and mind. Over the years, men may face difficulties with sexual function due to various conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, or even the use of medication. Masturbation offers a way to stay sexually active without needing a partner, which is especially important for those who are widowed or have struggled to maintain relationships. What's even more interesting is that masturbation not only helps keep the penis healthy, but also has positive effects on the cardiovascular system, functioning similarly to physical exercise by improving circulation. At its core, it's not just about pleasure, but about consistent care for the body. For many older men, masturbation helps maintain the rhythm of sexual health. Medical benefits of moderate masturbation, ensuring the penis remains active and functional. Instead of seeing masturbation as something negative, consider it a way to care for your body and ensure it continues to respond well to stimuli throughout life. Tawawai. Further enhance your sexual health. Check out my digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy: Healthy Sexuality After 60. Inside, you'll find practical guidance on maintaining desire, boosting sexual energy, and strengthening emotional connection in relationships. Access it through the link in the first pinned comment and discover how to transform your intimate life. Many men, as they age, face the loss of a partner or simply changes in relationships. This can lead to feelings of loneliness, especially when sex is no longer a priority in the couple's life. But masturbation can be an excellent alternative for maintaining both sexual and emotional health. For many men, masturbation is not just a way to release tension, but also a means of preserving sexual vitality. If you reach a stage in life where for some reason you no longer have a sexual partner, what happens? Masturbation becomes a valuable tool. It not only provides pleasure but also keeps blood circulation in the penis active, helping to prevent erectile issues. Additionally, it can help maintain sexual desire, which is essential for emotional and mental health. Moreover, masturbation is a solitary yet healthy practice that doesn't require commitment to another person, making it a practical and effective option for those who do not want or cannot engage in a regular sexual relationship. It promotes well-being, reduces stress, and offers the same physiological benefits as sexual intercourse without the complexities of an intimate relationship. Beyond satisfying physical needs, masturbation can also be a solution for emotional health during this stage of life. Masturbation is not only a pleasurable practice, but also a secret to increasing longevity and improving negative effects of overstimulation. Overall well-being, especially for older men. Studies show that men who maintain an active sex life, whether with a partner or through masturbation, tend to live longer and healthier lives. And it's not just about pleasure. Masturbation activates the cardiovascular system, promoting better blood circulation, which is essential for keeping organs and tissues healthy, including the penis. Additionally, regular masturbation releases endorphins, the body's natural chemicals that create feelings of happiness and well-being. This not only contributes to mental health by reducing stress and anxiety, but also helps regulate sleep and boost energy levels. As men age, it is common for the body to lose some vitality. But masturbation can be a simple and effective way to keep the body active and functioning optimally. Another important benefit is that masturbation can act as a light form of physical exercise, stimulating the production of hormones that help maintain vitality. Maintaining sexual activity in any form not only increases longevity, but also improves quality of life, keeping both body and mind healthier. Although masturbation is a healthy practice, especially in old age, it is important to be aware that excessive masturbation, particularly when combined with excessive pornography consumption, can have negative effects. Many men, when they find themselves without a partner, turn to pornography to fill this emotional and sexual gap. However, excessive exposure to adult content can lead to issues such as dependency or desensitization to natural hormone and testosterone facts sexual pleasure. When a man becomes compulsively involved with pornography, it can alter his perception of what a real sexual experience is. This can lead to difficulties in achieving an erection with a partner, or even issues related to excessive masturbation. The overload of intense visual stimuli can impair the natural sexual response, making it harder to experience pleasure without artificial stimulation. Additionally, constant pornography use can impact mental and emotional health, increasing anxiety levels and leading to feelings of guilt or shame. It is important to understand that masturbation itself is not harmful, but excessive pornography. Consumption can be maintaining a healthy relationship with masturbation requires balance and finding ways to prevent it from becoming a compulsive behavior. Being able to experience pleasure without relying solely on pornography can be an important step in maintaining balanced sexual and emotional health. When discussing masturbation in old age, a common question arises: what is the ideal frequency? The answer varies from person to person, but the most important thing is to understand that, like any physical activity, masturbation also requires balance. Maintaining a healthy frequency is essential to reap its sexual and emotional health benefits without overdoing it in a way that might harm sexual function or mental well-being. Studies indicate that for many men, masturbating once a week is sufficient to maintain proper blood flow to the penis and prevent muscle atrophy. This frequency helps keep the body active and penile tissues healthy, while stimulating the production of hormones that promote pleasure and reduce stress. This contributes not only to physical health, but also to emotional and mental well-being, fostering an overall sense of wellness. It's important to highlight that there is no universal minimum amount. What matters is that masturbation fits into one's routine in a healthy way without becoming compulsive or interfering with daily activities. Excessive masturbation can prostate health and ejaculation frequency be harmful, but when practiced in moderation, it becomes an effective tool for maintaining sexual health in old age. Finding balance and listening to the body is key to ensuring a healthy and satisfying sex life. As men age, many experience erectile function difficulties, which is natural due to physiological changes such as decreased testosterone production and reduced blood flow to the penis. However, masturbation can help prevent these issues and keep sexual health in check. It helps keep the penis active by stimulating blood circulation and preventing muscle atrophy that can occur from lack of use. Regular masturbation also aids in maintaining erections since penile stimulation increases blood flow, improving erection quality even at an advanced age. This becomes especially important for men with conditions such as diabetes or heart disease, which can impair circulation. By maintaining sexual activity, the body is encouraged to keep functioning efficiently, improving sexual responsiveness. Moreover, masturbation acts as training for the penis, keeping it healthy and preventing the loss of rigidity that often occurs when sexual activity is neglected. For older men, this means not only maintaining physical health, but also boosting self-esteem and sexual confidence. That's why masturbation should not be seen merely as momentary pleasure, but as an important preventive practice for lifelong sexual health. We've reached the end of the video, and as we've seen, masturbation can be a powerful practice for maintaining sexual health throughout life, especially in when to cut back and reset your body old age. It not only helps preserve erectile function, but also benefits physical and emotional well-being. With the right balance, it is possible to maintain vitality and a fulfilling sex life even as the years go by. Now, tell me which benefit of masturbation caught your attention the most in the video. Did you like the idea of using it as a way to keep your body and mind healthy? If you found this information useful, don't forget to like the video. Your like is essential to help more people access this important content about health and well-being in old age. Also, check out other videos on the channel with similar topics that can help you live better.